Damn, fat burning on the freeway. Look at this.
People's faces are
Oh, that guy almost hit him too. He put on foot? What happened?
Out of the car, dog.
Wait, what happened? What happened here? Oh, they crashed or what? Let me see.
What the?
Wait, slow down.
Just be careful, dog.
Hey, you guys all right? Huh? What happened? Who hit you?
I don't know, man. Okay, but
you're good?
yeah, man.
All right. God damn. They spun out right here and they literally crashed on the freeway. It was like a three-way collision or what happened here? God damn. The good thing everybody's okay right here. Everybody's okay. Huh? I don't know, dude, but damn.
Get inside first.
It's
total loss, boss.
God damn. No, there's some other guy. I just stopped by to try to help. Hey, it's cracking, man. We have a lot of cops in the front. We got cops in the back. Literally trying to box us in for some reason. We gotta dip the fuck out of here, bro. Not today, Satan. Not today, Satan. Okay, we got the Infinity out here with both tires about to pop. We got the Camaro. Woo! God damn it. Man of the hour, brother. My favorite speaker in the house right here. Yeah. He's the one that provided the inside view that I just gave you right now. Shout out to Jerry. Yeah, you let me see that hair. Fresh cut, don't get boom. We got the GA coming in right now. We got the hype man Jerry. concentration right here. Total concentration. That's right. That's right. Hey, shout out to my boy for always holding it down in every fucking meet. Favorite Mustang out here for sure. This is Cash, my boy at Carrito Brujos. You can see the goat. Hey, what's up, man? What's up? Hey, what's up, man? So this is my boy at Carrito Ghost. He's out here at the takeovers today. We got that 392 at his back. There's a little piece of tire right there.
I think that's my mom.
That's right. And the truck full of people and it's still out here swinging it beautifully. So the gunshots attracted so many cops. Look at all the cops right here. There's more cops coming. They called in some type of code right now. Let's go. Too many cops. Guys, so there was officially gunshots right now. Six in total. I told my homies, let's hide in the bottom of this building. I think he was already there.
Yeah, me too.
They were already there. I went, and then after the gunshots came, we were just waiting because you know how they come down. And right away hit me. The cops are gonna come in so deep because it was literally a gunshot. Cops came in hot, as you can see, guys. What the fuck? We did. Everybody that got caught in the back for sure under investigation right now. So beautiful, like butter. Look at this. Oh, that's about a buck.